Welcome to a journey into the world of innovative camping gear. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor adventurer or planning your first camping trip, we have something exciting for you today. From the pinnacle of outdoor cooking systems to high-tech safety gear, we're exploring the cutting-edge advancements in camping technology that are redefining how we experience the great outdoors. Get ready to discover 10 camping inventions that are at the next level, and gear up for the camping experience of a lifetime. Number 10. POMOLY LumberJack Fastfold Stove. Experience the pinnacle of outdoor adventuring with the POMOLY LumberJack Fastfold Stove. This game-changing camping invention takes the art of wilderness cooking to the next level with its compact, lightweight design and innovative fast-fold technology. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant materials, the LumberJack allows you to prepare warm, hearty meals regardless of your location. Not only is it incredibly portable, it also ensures high thermal efficiency, rapid heating, and a controlled flame, perfect for any culinary requirement. With the POMOLY LumberJack, you're not just cooking outdoors, you're embracing the ultimate seamless blend of performance, convenience, and nature. Perfect for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this is the gear upgrade you didn't know you needed. Until now. Number 9. CAM.G Camping Guard. Say goodbye to the fears of unwanted critters, intruders, or natural hazards with the all-new CAM.G Camping Guard. This revolutionary camping invention redefines outdoor safety by integrating advanced sensor technology with a user-friendly interface. The CAM.G is always on duty, vigilantly monitoring your surroundings, so you can peacefully relax and sleep under the stars. Its compact design and eco-friendly power system make it a non-intrusive guardian that seamlessly blends with nature. So go on and let CAM.G Camping Guard give you the assurance you need for a truly safe and enjoyable outdoor experience. Number 8. BAJAO Cabin. Introducing the BAJAO Cabin, an innovative marvel of modern camping inventions, providing you with an authentic, back-to-nature experience without compromising comfort. This compact yet spacious cabin effortlessly sets up in minutes, transforming into a private sanctuary amid the wilderness. Crafted with high-quality, weather-resistant materials, BAJAO Cabin provides a cozy, durable shelter in any terrain or weather. Large windows allow panoramic views of your surroundings, while the ingenious design maintains perfect ventilation and temperature control. With the BAJAO Cabin, experience nature's embrace without giving up the comforts of home. Number 7. Giga Pump 4.0. Meet the Giga Pump 4.0, the latest sensation in the world of camping gear. This mighty little device is more than just a pump. It's a multifunctional tool that can inflate your air mattress, double as a lantern with adjustable brightness, and even serve as an emergency power bank. Its compact, lightweight design makes it a must-have in your camping kit. Waterproof, rechargeable, and incredibly powerful, the Giga Pump 4.0 can inflate or deflate anything in minutes, saving you valuable time and energy. From setting up camp to illuminating your nights, let the Giga Pump 4.0 elevate your camping experience to the next level. Number 6. HEIMPLANET The Cave. Welcome to the future of outdoor living with HEIMPLANET The Cave, a camping invention that redefines what a tent can be. With its inflatable geodesic dome structure, the cave sets up in mere minutes, providing a sturdy and spacious shelter that's remarkably resistant to wind and weather. With multiple ventilations, 5 closable windows, and a brilliant interior design, it combines optimal comfort with an authentic camping experience. Transform your wilderness sojourns with the unparalleled design and innovation of HEIMPLANET The Cave. Number 5. Kammok Ursa Sleep Systems. Get ready to achieve the sleep of your dreams in the wilderness with the Kammok Ursa Sleep Systems. This innovative camping gear, with its advanced insulation technology, ensures that you stay warm and comfortable no matter how harsh the outdoor conditions are. With Ursa, you're not just getting a sleeping bag, but an entire sleep system meticulously designed to hug your body in luxurious comfort while maintaining optimum temperature regulation. Kammok Ursa Sleep Systems, where nature's serenity meets sleep technology's comfort. Number 4. Thedookan Docking Room. Elevate your camping experience with Thedookan Docking Room. This revolutionary invention is a fusion of form and function, designed to extend your vehicle's living space in the most efficient way possible. Easy to install, this rugged, weather-resistant structure provides extra room for you to relax, eat, or even sleep, giving you the freedom to adventure without feeling cramped. With Thedookan Docking Room, your vehicle becomes a home in the heart of the wilderness. Number 3. ESPECTRO CAHEO. Introducing the ESPECTRO CAHEO, an ultra-versatile camping tool that integrates a multitude of functionalities in one compact device. Imagine having a flashlight, GPS tracker, emergency beacon, compass, and weather station all at your fingertips. ESPECTRO CAHEO is your all-in-one outdoor survival gadget boasting a rugged, water-resistant design that can handle any adventure you throw at it. Venture into the wild with confidence, knowing you have the ultimate survival tool in your pocket. Number 2. Advenate Hybrid. Discover the Advenate Hybrid, the next evolution in outdoor safety gear. This groundbreaking camping invention not only serves as a high-performance avalanche shovel, but also incorporates a probe and insulating survival bag with its innovative design. Crafted with high-quality materials and engineered for efficiency, the Hybrid is compact, lightweight, and easy to assemble in emergency situations. With the Advenate Hybrid, stay prepared and face any challenge that the great outdoors presents. Number 1. High Gear Airgo Stratus 250 Tent and THECATAL Smart Shell. Immerse yourself in the fusion of comfort and tech with the High Gear Airgo Stratus 250 tent, coupled with THECATAL Smart Shell. The Airgo Stratus 250, with its pneumatic poles, sets up effortlessly and provides ample living space, while the Smart Shell integrates intelligent tech into your camping experience. From controlled temperature and lighting to automated setup systems, this combination of outdoor gear offers a convenient and enjoyable camping experience like no other. Your outdoor adventures will never be the same with the Airgo Stratus 250 and THECATAL Smart Shell, a match made in camping heaven. And there you have it, our pick of the top 10 next-level camping inventions that are transforming our wilderness experiences. Whether you're looking to upgrade your cooking setup with the POMOLY LumberJack Fastfold stove, seeking a safe, tech-assisted trip with the CAM.G camping guard and ESPECTRO CAHEO, or craving luxury and convenience with the High Gear Airgo Stratus 250 tent, coupled with THECATAL Smart Shell, there's something for every camping enthusiast on this list. Remember, with the right gear, you're not just surviving the wilderness, you're thriving in it. So gear up, step out, and let the great outdoors be your playground.